Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? This is urgent update for all Vechain holder, my brother. Exactly, all holder are completely in the lost, my brother. Everybody know this too. Vechain, all holder, all crypto market is completely on the lost, and there is no option, my friends. Especially, there is no option, my friends, to you lost after this video, my brother. So let's see. Let's get start this brand video. But kindly, before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe this channel and absolutely like this video. Thank you so much. My brother, you can see this time the last 1 hour chart is on the screen. The last 1 hour chart is on the screen. 0.57% they moving upward just and only in the last 1 hour. My friend, every cryptocurrency just falls down in the current condition. You already see the crypto market is completely temporarily falls down. You can see 0.092407 USD dollar is the Vechain latest price, and absolutely, my friend, you can see here they also starting moving upwards. So definitely, I hope the price will be increase more and more. Then so let's see, my friend, the last 24-hour chart. Let's predicate this coin to can there is a chance to upcoming time they also moving upward or not. My brother, remember the last 1 hour chart, and absolutely this is very important. My friends, remember to every cryptocurrency after a failure they take a jump. You can see here like that. But definitely you can see, my friends, they take a jump like that, especially from this point. You can see here, so it's mean if we draw a triangle here, so exactly they cannot hit the, my friend, the highest point. But definitely you can see here this time they also change occur will be positive. If you remember the last 1 hour chart, exactly will be positive. So therefore there is a chance, my friends, so they hit this line. Absolutely, if they hit this line, then absolutely they are completely in the profit, and they will give you very good profit. So Vechain holder, don't sell. I just advise you, my brother, remember, research personally. This is not a financial video, but I just advise you, my brother, to hold it this time to it's time to you hold and wait for the end of month, because I know, my friend, at the end of month every cryptocurrency is moving upward. So you need to hold and wait for the end of month. They will give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching. Please also share your opinion to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. And absolutely my opinion is that to hold and wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching. Please like video, subscribe this channel.